What would happen if we could condense the entire history of Earth's billions of years into just 12 minutes? From a blazing ball of fire to the only known planet teeming with life. If that were the case, when would life first appear? How many minutes would dinosaurs last? And how long have humans existed? Nature is far from merciful. It's a killing machine. Let's rewind time and witness how Earth has relentlessly shaped and destroyed life over the past 4.5 billion years. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. To make it easier to imagine, we'll take you back in time to the very beginning of Earth's existence. Right here, to where you are. 5 billion years ago, light burst forth. That was our sun undergoing nuclear fusion, and amid the vast cloud of dust and gas surrounding it, a massive mass of rock and metal was drawn together by gravity into an asteroid, a planet that hadn't yet fully melted. That was Earth. A gigantic mass of rock and metal being squeezed by gravity, the pressure and temperature skyrocketed to extreme levels, turning the planet into a blazing ball of molten magma, suspended in the dark void. Within this molten core, a dramatic event unfolded. Heavy elements like iron and gold were pulled down to the core, forming a dense and fiery nucleus. The movement of this molten metal created a magnetic field, a powerful invisible barrier. Without this shield, the solar winds would have blown away any chance of survival, turning the planet into a lifeless, dry rock. The magnetic field served as the only protective shell between the planet and the deadly radiation-filled space. The horror peaked when a giant killer emerged from the darkness. The planet Theia. About the size of Mars, Theia collided with the young Earth at an incredible speed. Traveling at an average speed of about 10 kilometers per second, Theia moved more than 10 times faster than a rifle bullet, or roughly 30 times the maximum speed of a commercial airliner. The impact tore apart the crust, tilted the axis of rotation, and turned the planet's surface into a true hell. A massive amount of magma was blasted into space. These fragments didn't vanish, but instead accumulated, frozen by gravity to form the Moon, a lasting testament to the most catastrophic geological massacre in history. After the catastrophe, Earth entered a phase of unpredictable cooling. Asteroids and comets began crashing down from space, bringing water and strange compounds. As the surface temperature dropped below the boiling point, water vapor condensed and poured down, forming vast oceans on the solid crust. In the dark thermal vents at the ocean's depths, 6 elements, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and phosphorus, were forced to react with each other. In the eerie silence of the ocean floor, the precursors to amino acids and RNA emerged, marking the birth of life on a planet that had been destroyed and reborn multiple times. Over 3.5 billion years ago, Earth's first mass extinction event nearly wiped out everything. In an oppressive, oxygen-free world, an entity named LUCA emerged. This was the last universal common ancestor of all living forms on the planet. Amidst the darkness of oceans filled with toxic methane gas, these primitive single-celled organisms began to replicate. They thrived in an environment so harsh that modern humans couldn't survive even a second. LUCA's presence marked an uncertain starting point where life clung to the cracks of death to sustain its lineage. This fragile piece was shattered about 2.7 billion years ago by a catastrophic event. Cyanobacteria appeared and began performing photosynthesis, releasing oxygen directly into the atmosphere. For the anaerobic life forms of the time, oxygen wasn't a source of life. It was a deadly chemical toxin. The overwhelming burst of oxygen wiped out nearly all primitive microorganisms. This was the first great extinction in history, a bloody purging event brought about by the very survivors themselves, transforming the atmosphere into a deadly chemical reactor. The consequences of oxygen dominating the atmosphere led to the next tragedy: the complete eradication of methane, the greenhouse gas. The planet's temperature plummeted to freezing levels. Amidst this white nightmare, a 20-kilometer wide meteorite named Vredefort slammed into South Africa. This collision was twice as destructive as the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. The catastrophic impact tore through the ice sheet, releasing dust and carbon dioxide into space, forcing the planet to thaw and burying massive gold mines deep underground. As the ice melted, a new biological war began at the ocean's depths. Larger cells started engulfing smaller cells to survive. Instead of digesting the prey, they kept the victims inside their bodies, forming mitochondria, living energy factories. The emergence of eukaryotic cells with distinct nuclei and organelles marked the end of the era of simple bacteria. Soon after, more than 1 billion years ago, these cells began to tightly bond together to form complex multicellular organisms like algae and sponges, officially establishing a new hierarchical system of life filled with competition and natural selection. A catastrophic event that turned the oceanic order upside down occurred around 530 million years ago. The calcium concentration in the seawater surged, forcing organisms to evolve hard shells and skeletons. A bloody conflict began. As one species grew a shell for protection, another immediately evolved sharp teeth to crush it. To survive, each subsequent species were forced to develop armored exoskeletons. This diversification was not a peaceful development, but a brutal arms race to kill or be killed, forming the ancestors of today's mollusks and arthropods. Just as life was beginning to thrive, it was faced with a harsh challenge 44 million years ago. The supercontinent Gondwana drifted toward the South Pole, triggering a global ice age at an accelerating rate. Massive glaciers formed, straining the oceans and causing a dramatic drop in sea levels. Shallow seas, the only habitats for life at the time, were completely wiped out. 85% of Earth's species, including most trilobites, were wiped out in the cold and the loss of living space. The planet became a frozen graveyard with no escape. By 375 million years ago, a creature named Tiktaalik made a bold move. It pulled its body out of the water and onto land. The motivation behind this act wasn't curiosity, but sheer terror from the giant armored fish predators ruling the underwater world. On land, true forests with woody plants began to cover the surface, creating an unfamiliar and hazardous environment. Tiktaalik had to adapt to walking in search of safer shelter, marking the first turning point in the survival of vertebrates on dry land. The real horror came when the supercontinent Pangaea formed, followed by the volcanic catastrophe in Siberia 252 million years ago. On the geological fissures erupted magma and toxic gases continuously for 1 million years without pause. The enormous amount of CO2 blanketed the atmosphere, acidifying the oceans and causing temperatures to rise to unbearable levels. As a result, 96% of marine species and 70% of land species were wiped out. Life on Earth was pushed to the brink of extinction, nearly wiped out completely from the cosmic history in the largest geological massacre ever recorded. The supercontinent Pangaea began to crack and break apart into many pieces. This geological separation process changed the entire climate system of the planet. The Atlantic Ocean formed, pushing moisture deep into the previously dry continents, turning them into humid tropical regions. In this explosive plant environment, long-necked herbivorous dinosaurs, the sauropods, grew to their maximum size. These creatures were as tall as a 4-story building And their weight was so immense that each step they took sent direct tremors through the ground. The presence of these giants established a new biological order where body size became the ultimate survival weapon. By 145 million years ago, Earth underwent a radical transformation in its appearance. The climate heated up to extreme levels, causing the ice at both poles to completely disappear. Sea levels rose nearly 200 meters higher than today, submerging large areas of the continents and turning them into isolated tropical islands. This was the golden age of predators like T-Rex and horned creatures like Triceratops. In this hot, perilous world, reptiles dominated every corner from the ground to the sky, creating an absolute dominant system that lasted for tens of millions of years. That seemingly eternal dominance came to an abrupt end 66 million years ago thanks to a killer from space. A 10-kilometer wide asteroid slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula at an incredible speed. This fateful impact wiped out 160 million years of reptilian rule in the blink of an eye. Dust and toxic gases obscured the sun, causing a nuclear winter that lasted for months, killing 75% of all species on the planet. A harsh survival limit was set. No land animal weighing more than 25 kilograms could survive this global extinction disaster. Soon after, the lords of the dinosaurs were wiped out. Small, mouse-like creatures began to emerge from their dark burrows. Over the next 30 million years, mammals underwent a rapid evolution to fill the ecological gaps left behind. They quickly diversified into flying bats, herbivores, and carnivores on the ground. Even a branch of complex mammals returned to the ocean to evolve into toothed whales and baleen whales. Early primates like Sahelanthropus began to abandon the habit of moving on all fours and started standing upright on two legs. By 3.2 million years ago, Australopithecus had fully developed the ability to walk upright. This change wasn't a voluntary choice, but a brutal response to environmental shifts. Standing upright freed the hands from supporting the body, allowing them to grasp and use stone tools to directly interact with the natural world. Fear of the dark and wild beasts began to recede around 800,000 years ago when early humans learned how to control fire. This was the first technology and the most terrifying weapon of humanity, enabling them to cook food and create a blazing protective circle in the dark of night. This power helped the human lineage survive the harshest conditions. By 40,000 years ago, a grim reality had occurred. Homo sapiens became the only human species left on the planet. All other human branches were completely wiped out, leaving only one species to monopolize life and death and dominate the entire Earth. The entire history of humanity, from powerful empires to modern technology, is, in reality, just a thin sliver on the geological fingernail. Just 5,500 years ago, humans began forming complex societies and invented writing to record events. A shocking realization arises when looking at the timeline. In a fleeting, breathless moment compared to the lifespan of the planet, humans evolved from creatures fleeing predators to beings capable of reading, writing, and unraveling the mysteries of the universe. This rapid development raises a chilling question. Will humanity continue to exist, or will it be wiped out like the millions of species that have vanished before?